I'm going to use my ESP and I'm going to go right inside your mind and I'm going to tell you what people say most of the time when they're brushing you off. Most of the time when they don't want to hear what you're saying. Most of the time when they don't want to do the thing that you want them to do, whether it's your career or your personal life. The most common thing that you hear is quite often, I'm sorry, I just don't have the time. I don't have time right now. Unfortunately, a lot of us have been trained the wrong way to deal with that, or we haven't been trained at all on how to deal with I don't have time. We end up creating this argument. Well, why don't you have time? When would be a good time? How do we make some time? You want to make some time for this. And that's not good. What I want you to do the next time somebody tells you, I'm really sorry, I appreciate it, but I don't have time. I just want you to simply mirror them. You don't have time? You're going to find when you do that, they're going to open up. Yeah, well, things are really hectic right now. My boss is giving me a lot of pressure to get these reports in, a lot of pressure. Yeah, things were just completely swamped. It's funny you say that because that's why I wanted to have this meeting. I think what we can do is we can help remove some of that pressure. We can help give you some of that time back. When you immediately start arguing with somebody or groveling for more time when they say they don't have it, that doesn't put you in the best position. Simply mirror them. Ask that you don't have time. You're going to find they're going to keep talking. They're going to give you more information, and chances are they'll tell you what you need to help keep that deal moving forward. My name's Matt Easton. Follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.